Are you looking to kick those food cravings to the curb?
Yes.
Yes, we are. Our next guest has a plan for you. She's back with recipes to calm those hunger hormones. Please welcome celebrity nutritionist and author of the new book, Body Love Every Day, Kelly LeVeque. Welcome back, Kelly.
Hey, thank you. Thanks, it's so good to be back.
And hey, good eating, we're all different, right? And so you have a
Absolutely.
plan for different lifestyles.
Yeah, so my first book, Body Love, talked about balancing your blood sugar with 4 things: protein, fat, fiber, and greens. And my second book, Body Love Every Day, answers the questions, what if I'm plant-based? Or what if I'm a girl on the go? Or I wanna make homemade meals from scratch? Or maybe I need to be red carpet ready. So we're gonna go through recipes from each one of those archetypes.
And if I'm a guy on the go, am I allowed to make these
Yes.
recipes too?
They're for guys on the go
cool.
too.
I'm already loving what I'm seeing here. So this is our first
so
recipe.
these are my spicy black bean burgers. I love a vegetarian burger, but I like when it really includes veggies. So if you can help me, Travis, why don't you take the top off of this? And what we normally do is we're gonna blend the roasted veggies. So we roast veggies up with chili powder, cumin, all those smoky flavors.
We're gonna blend it?
We're gonna
That's
pulse
exciting.
those up with some spinach. So we always are looking to sneak in some leafy greens. Studies show that it's great for skin and also brain health. And then we want to add a little extra fiber and extra healthy fat. So we have walnuts, flax
Ooh.
meal.
Give it a little more texture.
Texture, yeah, you want
Make it
that
more
bite.
substantial.
You don't want a
Every-
mealy vegetarian burger.
Everything I'm putting in here is healthy.
Yeah.
A lot of veggie burgers aren't healthy.
Yeah,
Ironically.
no, this was not made in a lab. You can make it in your food processor.
Leave the beans out for
so
now?
we leave the beans out,
Okay.
and we're gonna hand mix those. So what you wanna do is
Now, do I put this in now
add
too?
a little bit of sugar-free ketchup, so it's like a tomato paste. Yep. That gives it that
And what's this
earthy
guy?
flavor. And that's actually aquafaba. So that's the water from inside of garbanzo beans and acts as an egg white. So if you have an egg allergy in the family, that's a great alternative.
Okay, everyone.
Here we go.
Here we
Pretty
go.
excited.
Give it a pull.
I
Let's
am
give it a
making
shot.
dinner.
Nice.
Perfect. So we're gonna wait until that becomes sort of like a paste consistency, and then we're gonna hand mix it with the black bean burgers. But it's TV, and we probably don't have time, so you can hit
Boom,
that off.
done.
Nice.
Here it is, magic.
Yeah, so once it's all blended up, we just take the black beans and we actually roast those in the oven to pull out some of the water. And then we just take these burgers.
So you mix it together
So
with the
it's
whole
mixed with
black
the
bean.
beans.
Yeah, because you
That's
want
been
that
baked.
texture, you
Okay.
want that bite. And then you're just gonna scoop it directly into the pan
And I
or
notice
make.
there's no oil in the pan. Are you just using a non-stick? What are you using
This
there?
is a ceramic pan.
Ceramic.
So you
Okay.
want to avoid any of that Teflon.
Right.
So that that has chemicals that can be endocrine
and it
disrupting.
won't stick to the ceramic here?
And it's not going to stick to the ceramic, so you can just give it a flip when it's ready. And because everything's already cooked, it's just 3 minutes aside to warm it up
Thank you very much.
and allow it to stiffen.
We're going
right.
protein
All right, here we
style,
go.
edible
And then,
style.
A little
and
lettuce
you're
wrap.
actually using a lettuce wrap as opposed to even buns for this. So
I like
super
that.
Yeah, I
healthy.
think
I like the
it's
shrooms.
yeah, a little sautéed mushrooms and onions.
Wow.
Looks good.
And what
However
I
you
love
like
about this, I have to say, I'm a huge veggie burger fan, real true veggie burger fan. It's hearty.
Yeah.
So you actually, like your kids could eat this too, as well as yourself, and it's a solid meal. You feel good, you feel full, but not too full.